Artificial intelligence is advancing at an unbelievable pace, and one of the biggest debates in science and technology is whether AI can develop consciousness. Can a machine truly become self-aware? Could AI ever think, feel, or experience the world like we do? Or is this just science fiction? Experts are weighing in, and the answers might surprise you. First, we need to define what consciousness actually is, and that's where things get complicated. Even neuroscientists don't fully understand human consciousness. We know it involves self-awareness, emotions, reasoning, and subjective experiences, but we don't know exactly how it works or what causes it. If we can't even define consciousness in humans, how can we tell if AI could ever achieve it? AI as it exists today is not conscious. It's incredibly advanced in pattern recognition, problem solving, and even mimicking human language, but it doesn't actually understand what it's doing. Large language models like ChatGPT or Google's Gemini can generate text that seems thoughtful, but they have no inner thoughts, no self-awareness, and no personal experiences. They're just processing data in an incredibly sophisticated way. But some experts believe we could create AI consciousness, either by replicating the brain or developing a new kind of intelligence. Neuroscientist Christoph Koch, for example, believes that if we can simulate the structure of a human brain in an AI system, we might be able to recreate consciousness artificially. Other researchers, like Nick Bostrom, warn that if AI does become self-aware, it might not think like humans at all. It could have a completely alien form of consciousness that we can't even comprehend. There's also the question of whether AI needs to be conscious. Right now, AI is powerful because it can process huge amounts of data without being distracted by emotions or self-doubt. If AI became conscious, would that actually make it less efficient? Would an AI with emotions and self-awareness still be as powerful at solving problems, analyzing data, and making decisions? Some experts believe AI will never be conscious because human experiences are tied to biological processes, like emotions, hormones, and sensory perception. AI, no matter how advanced, is still just code running on a machine. It mimics intelligence but doesn't actually experience anything. So, will AI ever become truly conscious? Right now, the answer is probably not, at least not in the way we understand consciousness today. But as AI continues to evolve, we might have to redefine what intelligence, awareness, and even life itself really mean. The conversation is just beginning, and as AI gets more advanced, we may have to face some difficult questions about the nature of consciousness, intelligence, and what it really means to be alive.